Hi, today is Monday, August the 10th, and this is the SPX Outlook for the next coming days or maybe the whole week. We start with the 1 hour chart on the SPX CFD, so it's a 24-hour instrument that mimics the SPX, but it's got more bars per 24 hours, so indicators are generally more reliable. We see that SPX now has reached the strong resistance on this time frame, which is 3360. It's still pushing up. As you can see, the levels are about to shift up, which could mean that the market will try and go for all-time highs around 3400, or maybe resistance is on 3440. So it's still about 40-point gaps as usual, at least on SPX for now. And what happens if the resistance holds? We are in a kind of a dangerous territory. Market may try and aim for the all-time highs and then reverse it. This is not exactly a very pleasant environment unless you are just pretty passive, conservative, and go with the flow, momentum-based. But for most of us options traders, we have to look at different scenarios. In particular, what if the market then not only stalls but reverses strongly? We would have maybe the resilience level now on about 3320, 3325. Fib is now exactly on the former resistance 3300. As you can notice, the fibs equates with the support resistance line, so 3300 would be a fairly good support. 3280, 3260, although another 40 points down, and that's 3280 is now probably over the next few bars will become the strong support. I would assume that 3200 or 3240 are more valid because this move up could be a short-lived glitch that sometimes happens, particularly if I try and speed up this with actually here it looks like it's not going up, so this is quite interesting. So there may be some fighting on this level. Right, let's go back to our lines. Okay, so on this one, I would assume the market, if it stalls, at least stays in this channel, will try and reverse to maybe test the resilience level again. So we will see. This is definitely a key level in the next day or two. If we look now at a longer time frame, which could give us an outlook for maybe 3 days. Here we see the momentum is pretty strong and it looks like the market is really going for the all-time highs at 3400. So on this time frame, of course, we've got the same support level, same fibs, but the market is probably going to try and aim higher there. So no indication of a reversal here. And lastly, let's look at the daily chart. Probably the same picture, yes. The market is looking at testing 3400 for sure. So unless we have some adverse news, which could actually trigger a pretty good sell-off, but the sell-off would be cushioned by the fibs. So unless the market breaks 3200, and we are pretty far from it right now, there's no reversal in sight. We can maybe, for those who would want to look at a fib, we could trace a fib here and see that the levels 3240, 3200 would be strong support. Probably this one, 3235, 3240 being a good test for, just in case the dip is a little bit deeper than expected. Bullish directional traders going with the flow based on momentum may be right, at least for now. I would probably tighten stop if you're long and prepare maybe for a test of the support levels. Okay, that's it for now. Next video will be on our current trades. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.